Sawadee Kap. Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, police reenact Chuwong car crash. Amateur scientists are probably busy today speculating whether yesterday's car crash test could reliably determine whether billionaire Chuwong Tang's death was accidental. What do you think? A crash test has been conducted to determine how and if billionaire Chuwong Tang died in a car accident while he was being driven by the former Deputy Commerce Minister. 3 months after Chuwong was found dead in the vehicle on Chuwong Prekayat Road in Bangkok's Prawet district on June 26, authorities yesterday carried out the test at the accident scene using a crash test dummy inside a similar vehicle. Chuwong's body was found in the front seat of the vehicle, driven by his friend, Police Lieutenant Colonel Banyan Tangpakorn, who sustained minor injuries in the crash. Forensic police and experts from the King Mongoose University, North Bangkok, used sensors and cameras inside the vehicle to record the movements of the dummy during the crash. The speed at which the test was performed was kept between 30 and 50 kilometers per hour, mirroring the speed of the crash. Police want to determine what kind of injuries could have been sustained by Chuwong and whether those injuries were life-threatening. The test was witnessed by relatives of Chuwong and Police Lieutenant Colonel Banyan. Police Lieutenant Colonel Banyan's son, who did not give his name, said he doubted the test could credibly emulate the accident, partly because it would be difficult to place the dummy in the exact position as Chuwong was in the vehicle. The road conditions yesterday were so wet and slippery due to rain, which differed from June 26 when it was dry. This too could affect the test results. However, Anek Kamchom, Chuwong's lawyer, said he had confidence in the investigators' method of trying to identify the cause of Chuwong's death. The mock crash would help to shed light on the case, he said. The lawyer said there were only 2 people in the vehicle that day. One was already dead, and the other should know everything, Mr. Anek said. Police Lieutenant Colonel Banyan earlier denied he had a motive to kill his friend. He also insisted he had nothing to do with Chuwong's share transfers, which took place a few days before the car crash. He is charged with forging documents and cheating in connection with Chuwong's share transfers. The same charge has been filed against 3 women: golf caddy Kanthana Siwathanapol, 26, stockbroker Uracha Washaraya Kulton, 26, and Miss Urasha's mother, Sirathara Promma, 52. The 3 received more than 260 million baht worth of shares from Chuwong. And now, today's vocabulary. Authority, authority, billionaire, billionaire, broker, broker, case, case, cause, cause, charge, 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 commerce minister, commerce minister, conduct, conduct, confidence, confidence, crash, crash, credibly, credibly, data, data, denied, denied, deputy, deputy, determine, determine, document, document, doubt, doubt, due to, dummy, dummy, emulate, emulate, exact, exact, expert, expert, forensic, forensic, forge, forge, former, former, however, however, identify, identify, in conjunction with, in connection with, injury, injury, insist, insist, investigator, investigator, lawyer, lawyer, life-threatening, life-threatening, minor, minor, mirror, mirror, mock, mock, motive, motive, position, position, reenact, reenact, relative, relative, scene, scene, censor, censor, share, share, shed light on, shed light on, similar, similar, slippery, slippery, stock, stock, sustain, sustain, transfer, transfer, witness, witness. That's today's story and vocabulary. You have a great day. I'll see you next time here on Break Time with Monte.